हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल MLT एडवांस क्लासेस। आई होप आप सबकी 2026 एग्जाम की तैयारी एकदम जोरों शोरों से चल रही होगी। स्टूडेंट्स, ये वीडियो BMLT और DMLT के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है, क्योंकि एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी एक कॉमन सब्जेक्ट है। आपके एग्जाम में जो 2 मार्क्स के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, वो आपके स्कोर को सीधे आसमान पर पहुंचा सकते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन पूरे के पूरे नंबर दिलाने वाले होते हैं, यानी अगर सही लिखा तो पूरे 2 नंबर पक्के, कोई आधा नंबर भी नहीं काट सकता। आज की यह वीडियो एक महा मैराथन क्लास होने वाली है। हम आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी के पिछले 8 सालों में सबसे ज्यादा बार रिपीट हुए 50 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और उनके एग्जैक्ट आंसर को आसान भाषा में समझेंगे। साथ ही मैं आपको ये भी गाइड करूंगी कि एग्जाम शीट पर आपको इसे कैसे लिखना है, ताकि एग्जामिनर आपकी कॉपी देखते ही खुश हो जाए। तो अपनी नोटबुक और पेन निकाल लीजिए, वीडियो को बिल्कुल स्किप मत करना, क्योंकि आज का एक मिनट आपके एग्जाम के लिए गोल्डन साबित होने वाला है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, फंक्शंस ऑफ पैंक्रियास। एक्सोक्राइन फंक्शन secretes pancreatic juice containing digestive enzymes, amylase, lipase, trypsin, into the duodenum to digest food. Endocrine function, islets of Langerhans secrete hormones directly into blood. Insulin lowers blood glucose and glucagon raises blood glucose. Second question, define neuron. Definition, it is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system, specialized to transmit electrical and chemical signals throughout the body. Structure, consists of 3 main parts: cell body, soma, dendrites, receive signals, and a long axon, transmit signals. Third question, define fertilization. Definition, the biological process involving the fusion of a haploid male gamete, sperm, and a haploid female gamete, ovum. Site, naturally takes place in the ampulla region of the fallopian tube. Result, restores diploid chromosomes and forms a zygote. Fourth question, what is lumbar puncture? Definition, an invasive clinical procedure where a specialized spinal needle is inserted into the subarachnoid space of the spinal canal. Location, done between L3 L4 or L4 L5 lumbar vertebrae. Purpose, to collect cerebrospinal fluid CSF for diagnostic testing or to inject spinal anesthesia. Fifth question, define platelets, thrombocytes. Definition, small, disc-shaped, non-nucleated cellular fragments formed from megakaryocytes in the bone marrow. Normal count, 150,000 to 400,000 cells of blood. Function, crucial for hemostasis, forms platelet plugs and releases clotting factors to stop bleeding. Sixth question, enumerate thyroid hormones. 1. Triiodothyronine, T3. 2. Thyroxine, T4. 3. Calcitonin. Seventh question, define microtome. Definition, a high-precision mechanical laboratory instrument used in histopathology. Function, used to cut extremely thin, uniform, and serial sections of paraffin embedded tissues. Section thickness. Sections are typically cut between 3 to 5 micrometers, micro-m, for microscopic examination. Eighth question, functions of lymph. Fluid homeostasis, drains excess interstitial fluid from tissue spaces back into the bloodstream, preventing edema. Immune defense, transports lymphocytes and filters foreign pathogens inside lymph nodes. Fat transport, absorbs dietary fats and fat-soluble vitamins from the intestine via specialized capillaries called lacteals. Ninth question, define lysosome. Definition, membrane-bound spherical cell organelles present in the cytoplasm, known as suicide bags. Composition, contain powerful hydrolytic, digestive, enzymes active at an acidic pH. Functions, responsible for intracellular digestion, autophagy, worn-out organelles, and autolysis, damaged cells. 10th question, name parts of a long bone. Diaphysis, epiphysis, metaphysis, periosteum or endosteum, medullary cavity. 11th question, mention different anatomical planes. 1. Sagittal, median plane, vertical plane dividing the body into left and right halves. 2. Frontal, coronal plane, vertical plane dividing the body into front, anterior, and back, posterior, parts. 3. Transverse, horizontal plane dividing the body into upper, superior, and lower, inferior, portions. 12th question, enumerate types of microtome knives. Steel knives, disposable blades. Glass knives, diamond knives. 13th question, define mounting media. Definition, a liquid or semi-solid adhesive substance applied over stained sections before placing a cover slip. Purpose: protects specimens from physical damage, preserves stains, and improves optical clarity. Examples: DPX, Canada balsam and glycerol jelly. 14 question. Define nephron. Definition: it is the structural and functional microscopic unit of the kidney, responsible for urine formation. Structure: consist of 1. Renal corpuscle, comprising the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. 2. Renal tubule, comprising proximal convoluted tubule, PCT, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule, DCT. 15 question. Enumerate types of muscles. 1. Skeletal muscle. 2. Smooth muscle. 3. Cardiac muscle. 16 question. Name major parts of the brain. 1. Forebrain, thalamus, hypothalamus. 2. Midbrain. 3. Hindbrain, cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. 17 question. Enumerate various types of epithelium. Simple epithelium, single layer, simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, and pseudostratified columnar. Stratified epithelium, multiple layers, stratified squamous, keratinized or non-keratinized, stratified cuboidal, columnar, and transitional epithelium, urothelium. 18 question. Define blood groups. Definition: classification systems based on the presence or absence of specific inherited antigenic substances on RBC surfaces. ABO system divides blood into A, B, AB, and O types based on A and B antigens. RH system classifies blood as positive or negative based on the D antigen. 19 question. Name endocrine hormones of pancreas. 1. Insulin, beta cells. 2. Glucagon, alpha cells. 3. Somatostatin, delta cells. 20 question. Enumerate types of synovial joints. 1. Ball and socket joint, e.g., shoulder and hip joints. 2. Hinge joint, e.g., elbow and knee joints. 3. Pivot joint, e.g., atlantoaxial joint in the neck. 4. Gliding, plane joint, e.g., intercarpal joints in the wrist. 5. Saddle joint, e.g., carpometacarpal joint of the thumb. 6. Condyloid joint, e.g., wrist joint. 21. Functions of bone in the body. Mechanical frame, provides shape, structural support, and acts as rigid levers for skeletal muscle movement. Protection, shields delicate structures, skull protects brain, rib cage protects heart, lungs. Metabolism or hemophoresis, stores calcium, phosphorus, red bone marrow acts as the main site for blood cell production. 22. Principles of H or A stain. Differential technique, it is the primary routine stain used to differentiate tissue structures based on ionic charge. Hematoxylin, a basic dye that binds to acidic cellular elements like nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, staining nuclei deep blue, purple. Eosin, an acidic dye that binds to basic cell proteins like cytoplasm and connective tissue, staining them pink, red. 23. Define cytology. Definition: the medical and biological subdiscipline concerned with studying cell structure, physiological function, and pathology. Clinical significance involves microscopic evaluation of cellular samples obtained via scrapes or aspirations, e.g., pap smear, FNAC, to detect early cancer cells or infections. 24. Chemical composition of bone organic matrix, 30%, predominantly comprised of type I collagen fibers embedded in a gel-like ground substance, giving flexibility. Inorganic mineral, 70%, formed by deposits of hydroxyapatite crystals, 6O2, rich in calcium and phosphorus, providing hardness. 25. Define fixative. Definition: a chemical compound or solution utilized to stabilize and preserve biological tissue components from decomposition. Action: denatures tissue proteins, arrests post-mortem autolysis, prevents bacterial putrefaction, and hardens tissue. Common example: 10% neutral buffered formalin. 26. Define thrombocytosis. Definition: a clinical hematological condition defined by an abnormal, elevated platelet count in peripheral circulation. Threshold: platelet count exceeds the upper normal physiologic limit of 400,000 cells. Risk: leads to increased risk of intravascular blood clot formation, thrombosis. 27. Describe tissue embedding, blocking. Definition: a crucial step in tissue processing following clearing where dehydrated, cleared tissue is placed into a strategic orientation mold. Medium: mold is filled with molten paraffin wax and allowed to cool. Purpose: forms a rigid solid block that completely supports the tissue matrix during thin microtome sectioning. 28. Name male genital organs. Primary organ, testes, produce spermatozoa and testosterone. Accessory ducts, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and urethra. Accessory glands, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral, Cooper's, glands. External genitalia, scrotum and penis. 29. Enumerate some lymph nodes of the body. 1. Cervical lymph nodes, situated in the neck. 2. Axillary lymph nodes, situated in the axilla, armpits. 3. Inguinal lymph nodes, situated in the groin region. 4. Mesenteric lymph nodes, situated in the abdominal cavity. 30. Functions of white blood cells, WBCS. Immune protection, form the mobile cellular defense network of the human immune response system. Phagocytosis, neutrophils and monocytes physically engulf and digest the invading cellular debris or bacterial targets. Antibody secretion, B lymphocytes transform into plasma cells to generate specialized antibodies. 31. Name 2 pituitary hormones. 1. Growth hormone, GH. 2. Antidiuretic hormone, AD, vasopressin. 32. Name parts of the central nervous system, CNS. 1. Brain. 2. Spinal cord. 33. Enumerate major endocrine glands. 1. Pituitary gland. 2. Thyroid gland. 3. Adrenal glands, suprarenal. 4. Parathyroid glands. 5. Gonads. 34. Define glomerulonephritis. Definition: an immune-mediated pathology characterized by acute or chronic inflammation targeting the glomeruli inside the kidney. Etiology: frequently results from post-streptococcal throat infections or systemic autoimmune conditions. Presentation: induces hematuria, proteinuria, oliguria, and localized peripheral edema. 35. Define anemia. Definition: a clinical hematologic disorder defined by a drop in circulating red blood cells, hemoglobin mass, or PCV value. Consequence: results in decreased systemic oxygen delivery, causing hypoxia. Key manifestations: generalized muscle fatigue, persistent lethargy, and skin pallor. 36. Functions of blood. Distribution: transports vital dissolved gases, O2, digestive nutrients, endocrine hormones, and metabolic wastes. Homeostatic control: stabilizes baseline body core temperature, systemic blood pH values, and total fluid volume. Hemostasis or immunity: platelets execute clotting cascades, leukocytes initiate targeted immune defenses. 37. Functions of the liver. Metabolic: orchestrates complex glycogen storage, lipid synthesis, and amino acid conversions. Plasma protein synthesis: chief site generating circulating albumin and essential coagulation, clotting cascade factors. Exocrine clearance: produces and discharges bile salts for intestinal fat digestion, and clears systemic toxins, ammonia. 38. Define hemophoesis. Definition: the continuous biological process responsible for the production, differentiation, and structural maturation of all blood cells. Adult site: takes place primarily within the active red bone marrow matrix of flat bones, sternum, pelvis, and long bone epiphyses. Origin: all mature cell lineages develop from multipotent hematopoietic stem cells, HSCS. 39. What is erythropoietin? Definition: a specialized glycoprotein hormone generated and secreted chiefly by the peritubular capillary endothelial cells of adult kidneys. Physiologic role: targets the red bone marrow to increase the production of red blood cells, erythropoiesis, in response to tissue hypoxia. 40. Define decalcification. Definition: a basic histopathological processing stage where calcium mineral deposits are systematically dissolved out from bone or heart tissues. Prerequisite: done exclusively after complete fixation using acid solutions, e.g., nitric acid, or chelating agents, EDTA. Objective: softens heart tissue so sections can be cut smoothly on a microtome without damaging the knife blade. 41. Name clearing agents used in tissue processing. 1. Xylene. 2. Toluene. 3. Chloroform. 42. Define dehydration in histopathology. Definition: the systematic removal of internal water molecules from freshly fixed tissue samples. Protocol: tissues are moved through ascending, progressive grades of ethanol, example 70% yogic chinhi greater than 90% yogic chinhi greater than 100% absolute alcohol. Rationale: essential because paraffin wax is hydrophobic and cannot penetrate tissues containing water. 43. Define autolysis and putrefaction. Autolysis, the enzymatic self-digestion of tissue cells triggered by their own internal lysosomal enzymes post-cell death. Putrefaction, tissue decomposition caused by the enzymatic activity of invading exogenous bacteria. Both degradation events are halted via immediate and correct tissue fixation. 44. Name the parts of the human heart. Chambers, left and right atria, upper receiving, left and right ventricles, lower pumping. Structural wall, endocardium, inner lining, myocardium, thick cardiac muscle layer, and epicardium, visceral pericardium outer layer. Valves, atrioventricular, tricuspid, bicuspid, and semilunar, aortic, pulmonary, valves. 45. Define reflex arc. Definition: the specific neural anatomical circuit that controls a rapid, automatic, and involuntary response to an environmental trigger. 46. Functions of cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. Mechanical shock absorber, forms a protective fluid cushion around the CNS to dampen mechanical jars and direct trauma. Buoyancy matrix, suspends the physical mass of the brain, dropping its effective weight to prevent pressure injury to the skull floor. Metabolic conduit, facilitates chemical nutrient exchange and waste removal for CNS tissues. 47. Enumerate organs of respiratory system: nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, throat, larynx, voice box, trachea, windpipe, bronchi, and terminal bronchioles. Respiratory zone, respiratory bronchioles and alveolar ducts, sacs, alveoli, the actual site of oxygenation. Primary organs, paired lungs covered in protective pleural membranes. 48. Composition of pass stain. 1. Periodic acid, 0.5-1% aqueous, acts as an oxidizing agent that oxidizes tissue carbohydrates into aldehydes. 2. Schiff's reagent, prepared from basic fuchs, sulfurous acid, and HCl, reacts with aldehydes to give a magenta, pink color. 3. Counterstain, Harris hematizylin, stains nuclei blue. 49. Parts of excretory system: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. 50. Enumerate female sex hormones. Estrogen, progesterone. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे हमारे 50 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 2 मार्क क्वेश्चंस जो आपके DMLT और BMLT फर्स्ट ईयर के एग्जाम में बार बार पूछे जाते हैं। अगर आपने ये 50 क्वेश्चंस अच्छे से समझ लिए और जैसे मैंने बताया है वैसे हेडिंग बनाकर लिखे तो आपके इस सेक्शन में से एक भी नंबर नहीं कटेगा। अब आते हैं सबसे ज़रूरी बात पर। जितने भी सीरियस स्टूडेंट्स ने इस वीडियो को अभी एंड तक पूरा देखा है उनसे मेरी एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, जब आप एग्जाम देकर आए तो इसी वीडियो के कमेंट बॉक्स में आकर मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि इस मैराथन क्लास से आपके एग्जाम में कितने क्वेश्चन आए। जब आप लोग एग्जाम के बाद आकर बताते हैं कि आपका पढ़ाया हुआ आया था और हमारा पेपर बहुत अच्छा गया, तो सच मानिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है। आपके वही कमेंट्स मुझे मोटिवेट करते हैं। अगर आपको मेरी यह वीडियो पसंद आई है या मेरी मेहनत और समझाने का तरीका पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को एक प्यारा सा लाइक ज़रूर दीजिएगा। इसे अपने कॉलेज के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और सभी लैब टेक्नीशियन दोस्तों के साथ जमकर शेयर कर दीजिए ताकि सबकी हेल्प हो सके। कमेंट में ये भी बताइए कि अगली वीडियो आपको किस टॉपिक या सब्जेक्ट पर चाहिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ नाइस डे।